Marker.
Okay, and pull back.
Whew! I don't remember eating that.
Cut.
I can't believe this.
That's the fifth
What
time.
row is that guy in?
Sorry, everyone. I had that bean burrito for lunch. Okay, I'm all right now. Sorry.